It's told in the problem that what is this equation representing is the question asked, where mod r is less than 1. What is the meaning of mod r less than 1? Mod r less than 1 means r is less than 1, but minus r on the other side should be greater than minus 1. So, which means r value lies between minus 1 and plus 1, right? When r value lies between minus 1 and plus 1, 1 minus r also is a positive quantity, correct? 1 minus r also is a positive quantity, and 1 plus r also is a positive quantity. Both are what quantities? Both are positive quantities, right? Both are positive quantities. So, can I not write put for easiness now, see, put 1 minus r is equal to a square. A square is also however a positive quantity, correct or not? And 1 plus r, that is also equal to, I will put b square and put this one like this. So, this implies to me that x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. So, definitely this is the case of a what? This is the case of an ellipse. Is it correct or not? Whenever it is a positive quantity can be either a square or b square. That is also positive only. So, answer to the question is an ellipse.